The new Rotate Object feature in Photoshop makes spinning any image in 3D super easy. Start by pressing Ctrl-T. Then click the Rotate Object button. Photoshop will remove the background and make your object rotatable. Now your layer becomes a rotatable object layer. You'll see handles for scaling and rotating, plus 3 new controls: rotate, tilt, and perspective, so you can match your object to the scene perfectly. You can also use sliders in the Properties panel for precise adjustments, including spin, but I prefer the handles. This uses some AI credits, so keep that in mind. Click Done. Finally, you can use the Harmonize button to match your object to the background. Shadows, color, and lighting all adjust automatically. And just like that, your object fits perfectly in the scene. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.